You might be wondering, what is industrial engineering anyway? Well, imagine a giant puzzle, but instead of pieces it's made of people, machines, and materials. Industrial engineers are the ones who figure out how to put that puzzle together in the most efficient way possible. They are the problem solvers, the efficiency experts, the ones who make sure things run smoothly. They use their knowledge of math, science, and technology to improve how things are made or done. Think about it like this. Every product you use, every service you enjoy, has likely been touched by an industrial engineer in some way. From the phone in your pocket to the car you drive, industrial engineers have worked behind the scenes to make these things better, faster, and more affordable. These folks are the unsung heroes of the manufacturing world, often working behind the scenes to streamline processes, cut costs, and boost productivity. They don't just focus on making things faster, they focus on making things better. Whether it's finding ways to reduce waste, improve safety, or optimize the use of resources, industrial engineers are all about working smarter, not harder. They are the epitome of practicality, always looking for ways to get the most out of every process, every system, and every person. Now let's talk cars. The automotive industry is a giant, complex machine, and industrial engineers are the grease that keeps it running. They're involved in every stage of the game, from designing the factory layout to optimizing the assembly line. They work with robots, analyze data, and make sure every step of the process is running as smoothly as possible. Without industrial engineers, car manufacturing would be a lot slower and a lot more expensive. These guys are the ones who figure out how to build cars better, faster, and cheaper, which is good news for everyone. They are the masters of efficiency, always looking for ways to eliminate waste, reduce costs, and improve quality. Think about it. Every time a car rolls off the assembly line, it's a testament to the hard work and ingenuity of countless industrial engineers. They are the ones who make sure that millions of parts come together in the right place at the right time. So, what does a typical day look like for an industrial engineer in the automotive world? Well, there's no such thing as typical. One day they might be out on the factory floor, stopwatch in hand, timing how long it takes to assemble a certain part. The next day they could be hunched over a computer analyzing data and looking for bottlenecks in the production process. These folks are master problem solvers, always on the lookout for ways to make things better. They might be tasked with finding ways to reduce defects, improve worker safety, or shorten lead times. They're also responsible for implementing new technologies and processes like automation and lean manufacturing techniques to make the factory even more efficient. It's a demanding job, no doubt, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Industrial engineers in the automotive industry get to see the direct impact of their work every single day, as cars roll off the assembly line and into the hands of eager customers. They are the ones who help to shape the future of transportation, one car at a time. One of the key things industrial engineers do is called line balancing. Imagine the assembly line like a carefully choreographed dance. Each worker and each robot has a specific job to do, and they need to do it in sync with everyone else. Line balancing is all about making sure that work is distributed evenly across the line. No one is standing around idle, and the cars keep moving at a steady pace. It's a delicate balancing act, kind of like trying to juggle chainsaws while riding a unicycle. Too much work at one station and you get a bottleneck, which slows down the entire line. Too little work and you're wasting valuable time and resources. Industrial engineers use all sorts of fancy math and computer simulations to figure out the optimal balance for maximum efficiency.